how to open Santander bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode on How Logical. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how can you open Santander bank account online. If this sounds interesting, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and here search for santanderbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. And once you search for it, you will be landed to its official web page. Now, in order to create your Santander bank account, firstly you need to make sure you are personal section and then tap on banking underneath your personal section. Now under the banking you will given the two options, either to open up your checking account or your savings account. Now choose the banking account you want to create. After that, scroll this page a bit down and there you will find all the checking accounts available in this bank. Now once you choose the checking account that you want to create, tap on open account button and then you will take in the next page. Now scroll this page a bit down and there tap on I am new to Santander button. Once you tap on it, you will be asked to fill up your personal and contact details. And you have to choose if you want a joint account or a individual account. And once you're done with filling all the personal and contact details, tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, you will be taken to the next page where you have to fill in your addresses. And then once you get verified, you have to read all the terms and conditions of the Santander Bank and accept all the terms and conditions of Santander Bank. And once you do that, you will be taken to the next page where you have to deposit some amount of money to the bank to create your Santander bank account. As Santander Bank doesn't allow you to create an account with a zero balance, so you have to fund some amount of money to the bank. And once you're done with all these steps, you have to enroll for the online banking of Santander bank account. And once you're done with it, you will be able to create your Santander bank account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.